You know all the bad behavior you see on planes these days?
There is a colonial woman on the wing. There's a woman on the wing. I saw her. There is something they're not telling us.
I flew United for 30 hours and what I saw shocked me. Let me be upfront about something. When my family flies, we usually fly Delta simply out of habit, and because my dad is absolutely convinced that their legroom in the economy is a little better than the other airlines. He's 6'3" and needs the legroom. Is it true? I don't know. Post your comment below and let me know your thoughts. But this time when we were flying 15 hours from the East Coast to Hawaii and then another 15 hours home, the best price mom could find was on United. And it was a lot cheaper than Delta. Over $300 cheaper per ticket than Delta was, which for a family of 3 would save us a lot. So we tried to put out of our minds all those viral videos you see online of passengers behaving badly and the fact that they usually seem to be on United flights. But I'll be honest, I was a little nervous about this trip, because I kind of let all those videos get into my head. What happened next shocked me to my very core.
There's a colonial woman. She was turning butter. She was turning butter on that wing. She is out.
I will admit first that I'm still trying to unsee what was on the bathroom floor of the plane. But other than that, the flight was actually really fairly pleasant. The vast majority of the people were, brace yourself, nice. So while I know that my video would get a lot more views and likes and subscribers if I post a rant about how horrible people are, I'd rather just give props to United and to, well, humanity overall. Because maybe people aren't really as cruel and terrible as the internet leads us to believe. During a total of 30 hours on a plane to Hawaii and back, there was only one really mean lady who was rude to just about everyone around her. But it was a long flight, and who knows what she's dealing with in her life. So let's show people a little grace here. Outside of her, people were nice. The flight attendants were nice. Even the captain was nice when he'd make announcements. Then there was the food. I thought since it was United, it would be terrible. The complaints about United's food are legendary. But get this! I ordered the vegetarian option, which was pasta with tofu, and it was seriously good. Not restaurant quality, but along the lines of something I make quickly at home. Again, I was shocked. So I just thought I'd post a good United video that reminds us that even though there are some crappy people in the world, the good people far outnumber the bad ones. And here's a little pro tip. Don't let the viral moments you see online stop you from getting out and seeing the world, or you're going to miss out on this amazing experience called life. Happy travels, everyone! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe. Only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video, please be one of those that hit that subscribe button. Thank you.